Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take apart the ignition switch on a 59 Apache. Let's get started. Okay, here she is, 59 Apache. What you're going to need to do this is your key and a standard size paper clip. I just opened it up a little bit. Alrighty, you want to slide your key in the ignition. That's on. Mine has the foot pedal start, so it just goes to on, doesn't go any farther. So you just want to go to your off position, come in with your paper clip. There's a little hole right here, see it? You'll push in there and you'll feel a little plunger when you push in. You want to push on that plunger and you just want to keep turning the key counterclockwise. It's going to be hard to, you really need two hands to do this, but we're going to give her a shot. Slide it in, do a plunger, turn it, see how it turned just a little bit, and then you just want to pull it out. There you go. That's it. Put it back in. You don't need your paper clip. You want to stick it right back in the way it was when it came out. Just slide it in like that. Push in a little bit, turn it, you'll hear it click. That's it, you're back in action. There you go. That's how you remove it. Remove your ignition switch, internals on a 1959 Apache. One thing I just wanted to add real quick that I forgot to show you. Once you take your tumbler out, if you want to remove the whole switch, you can see these four little grooves here. They make a tool that you can slide on here and it'll remove this bezel. And then once you pull that out, remove the bezel, the switch will just fall out the back, pull the wires off, and you can change your ignition switch if needed. Usually these things aren't super tight. See, I can move mine right there. You can usually grab this carefully with a pair of pliers. You can wrap tape around that, pair of pliers to loosen it up, and then just unscrew it by hand. It's just regular thread, it's not left-handed or anything. So, yeah, sorry about that, but so basically just do the little procedure I showed you. Pop this out, unscrew that bezel, change the switch if that's what you're doing. Put the new switch, take the wires off, put the new wires on the new switch, slide the switch in, screw your bezel back on, slide your tumbler in, lock it into place, you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and maybe I'll try to take a few more videos as I work on this old beast. Until then, I hope it helps some of you out. Have a good day.